Today, in the age of innovation and advanced technology, we are going back to the roots. We are taking a look at the true classic that has become part of tattoo history and remains a symbol of quality and power. In today's review, the Cheyenne HAWK Thunder. Let's get started. Hi guys, if you have been with me for a while on this channel, hey fam, you already know my name is Olga. I am permanent makeup artist and trainer, aerial restoration and pro makeup artist and cosmetologist. So believe me when I say I know the pain beauty pros go through, and if you are new here, hit the subscribe button right now, because I have got a lot of useful and professional content for you. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. Since 2006, Cheyenne has been developing professional tattoo equipment according to the highest international standards. On the official website, the company informs the origins of Cheyenne line in medical technology, which gives us the appropriate know-how and technical capabilities to offer our tattoo equipment in flawless quality. Cheyenne stands for innovation and technical excellence. Our products have revolutionized the market and the tattoo industry several times already. In front of me, two black boxes with a clean and minimalistic design. Both are made in the same style. We will need both boxes to use, and I'll explain why in a moment. Each box has a Cheyenne logo and brand name, as well a sticker showing the color of our equipment. As you can see, ours is purple, manufactured in Berlin. Now let's see what's inside. Let's start with the larger box. Inside we have the warranty card. There is also a brochure for permanent makeup artists with information about Cheyenne grips and cartridges. You will find a very detailed user manual in several languages. It also explains how to clean and sterilize the equipment. Here is a clip cord. Yes, this is a classic wired machine. Cheyenne uses its own proprietary clip cords designed specifically for its equipment. But if you are using a power supply from another brand, the kit also includes an adapter. And here is the machine itself. This is a motor unit with a piston needle drive. It feels lightweight. I really like the glossy finish, and the purple color looks beautiful. This is where we'll connect the clip cord. But to complete the assembly, we'll need to open the second box. The second box we have the grip. It's sold separately. Of course, I choose the grip to match the color of the machine. It has the same glossy finish, and as you can see, it's slim and very comfortable to my hold. The diameter feels just right for permanent makeup artists. This is the connection place where the grip attaches securely to the motor pod. Now let's put the machine together. First, find the small white dot on the grip. Slide the grip onto the piston drive unit, making sure the white dot is aligned with the letter C on the top of the machine. This alignment is important because it ensures the cartridge will be installed correctly later. Once everything is lined up, tighten the fixing ring to secure the grip in place. And that's it. Our machine is fully assembled and ready to use. As always, we are going to speak at the specifications of the Cheyenne HAWK Thunder. First of all, let's weight the fully assembled machine with the grip. Our scales are showing 145 grams. Believe me that not much at all for a machine with this much power and performance. Yes, this tattoo machine is wired. It has an unconventional design, but it's quite maneuverable. Of course, if you have only worked with the pen-style machines, it may take a little time to get used to this different shape. But the adjustment is quick, and before long, it feels completely natural in your hand. HAWK Thunder has 5 colors: black, red, orange, gray and purple. This machine uses a legendary German motor of the highest quality. The operating voltage from 5 to 12 volts. This is a powerful equipment. It can easily work with all tattoo and permanent makeup techniques, including areola restoration, scar and vitiligo camouflage. The machine also works at lower voltages, like 4 or 4.5 volts, but it may not start below 5-6 volts, especially if you are using cartridges with a stiffer membrane. Don't worry, just increase the voltage to start the machine, then lower it back to your working voltage. Or if your power supply has a jump start function, you can use it instant. The stroke length is 4 mm. This is a factory setting that you cannot change. This is a long stroke machine with a high impact force. The company offers 2 grip size, 22 or 25.4 mm. I have the 22 mm versions, and this grip must be sterilized. You can find all information about it in the user manual. Be sure to read it before using this device. The needle depth is adjusted the usual way by turning the grip. You can hear the clicking sounds, which makes the adjustment easier. Of course, it's compatible with all popular cartridge brands and power supplies. When installing the cartridge, both the cartridge window and the white dot should be aligned with the letter C. This tells you that both the grip and the cartridge have been installed correctly. Proper alignment helps the pigment flow evenly through the tip and makes the machine more comfortable to work with. Now it's time for the practical test. Let's connect our machine. I'm choosing my comfortable working voltage to 5 volts. Really low vibration and low volume. I'm starting with the powder shading. The Thunder is very comfortable to use. We get beautiful, fine pixel images. There is no uncomfortable recoil in the hand despite its power. However, caution is required when working with dry, atonic or aging skin, especially for beginners. This softness can be deceiving if you are inexperienced. Once your hand adapts to the shape of the machine, there is no imbalance. I used this equipment for about 3 years and it's always been comfortable. I increased the voltage to 6.5 volts. It's a great device for both shading and lines. It works smoothly, precisely and comfortably. Even with the voltage increase, the vibration remains comfortable and allows for easy manipulation of hairs. Guys, let's sum up today's review. Legendary German build quality, powerful motor with a stable performance and well balanced for its class. Very low vibration even at higher voltages. Comfortable for both shading and line works. It can easily work for all permanent makeup techniques and tattoo. But it's a wired machine. The grip is sold separately. If you are used to the pen style machines, the shape may take a little time to get used to. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.